Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a sad video because this is going to be my last Fright crate, because if you guys haven't seen my videos, I'm sure you have, I have found out I was pregnant and I need to save all the money I can for baby stuff, new baby stuff, because we're starting fresh and it ain't cheap, you guys. So this is April's crate. I have no idea what's in here. I haven't even seen sneak peeks, nothing. We're going into this raw. So the little quote for this month is, "A glimpse into the world proves that horror is nothing more than reality." Alfred Hitchcock. So he always has a little saying, little quote, which I like. This was, I think this was like Freddy vs. Jason, to be honest, you guys. I don't remember the theme. So let's get into this box so we can get excited and have a little party with my new horror stuff. Alright. This is the $20 box. Again, you guys, I want to clarify that because a lot of people don't. Alright. So we got lots of tissue paper. Alright, so I see a DVD. I'm super excited. Super excited. Okay, what is this? Okay. Movie I've never seen, never even heard of. And it is called Walled In. Some secrets best are left buried. So you guys, this does sound pretty interesting. In 1993, 16 bodies were found embalmed with the world's most renewed, yet the killer was never caught. Girl, this sounds like a fucking movie that I will be getting into. So, Walled In. Alright. Next item. Oh, fuck yes. Okay. I am deceased as fuck right now. Okay, you guys. Fuck yes. This is a badass shirt, you guys. Freddy vs. Jason tee. I am definitely going to be living in this tomorrow. This is legit badass. Like, holy yes, bitches. I am fucking obsessed. Okay, so we got a shirt to chill in. I am liking that. We got a new movie to chill and watch. Alright. So, this is actually really cool. This is Queen of the Damned. I love Queen of the Damned. It had Aaliyah in it. And you guys, I don't know. I fucking love that. She was like the sexiest vampire I've ever seen in my life. Alright, and then this is the pen. So I'm super stoked about that, you guys. Look how just the graphics in this and details are pretty legit, you guys. Like, I can't wait to add this to my collection. So, 3 things that I'm impressed with. Alright, and the last thing that we have is this weird little sign, Dead Alive. So it just looks something like this. Not too impressed with this, but it will go in with a horror collection. So all it is like the back is empty, and then it's like a 3D effect. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a 3D effect poster, and you can hang it up and do some cool shit with it, or you can DIY something with it. Who knows? So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. This, not really stoked about. But you guys, these 3 things, I am fucking deceased with this shirt. I can't get enough of this. Like, I love the shirt. Look at it, you guys. I am a big time Freddy and Jason. Like, Michael Myers is my favorite, but then it goes into Jason, Freddy, and then Chucky, and then Texas Chainsaw, like the biggest villains. And you guys, this is so dope. I love this. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. And then the pen, of course. And then a new horror movie that I can chill and relax and watch. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's my last Fright crate. I'm super sad, but things have changed and I have to adult now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't give two shits what anybody has to say about you. They're gonna talk shit regardless. So yeah, you guys, see you guys.